And welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda Little Cub 50, which is basically a C50 with 14-inch smaller little alloys, as well as they go a bit more, wilder on the colours. This one is bright red with white. Really nice little bike, as you'll see as we go through it. Front tyre is very good. Front mudguard also very good. Front forks are good as well. And there's the alloy. Little marks here in the leg shields. Up at the top though, it's all very nice, no rusting or anything like that. Down through the left hand side of the bike now, all very nice. Exhaust and rear swing arm are good. Side panels are original and not cracked. Have this kind of a two-tone seat, and underneath is okay as well. You have your rear rack with some little marks on it. And then you have your rear mudguard, little marks down here and here. 2000 with the indicators are original. And the chain guard is good. The rear tyre is very good. Side stand and main stand on her. Side panel, again the seat, no rips or tears. And that's it really for this left hand side. Up again at the front mudguard. Okay, so that's it for the visual inspection. We'll now move on to the ride-along video. Alright, we're on the Red Little Cub 50. And yeah, she's a really lovely looking bike. Red's going to be a very popular colour, seeing as most of the C50s in Ireland that came into the country were red. This one a bit brighter than those ones that came into Ireland, but nonetheless, these little cubs are very, very popular for us, selling bikes wise, and you can see why. They're very cute, and they get up to speed nicely. We're keeping up with the traffic very well. It's got 3 gears, all sequential kind of job. So if you're fearful of gears yourself, you're kind of getting into a twist and go bike, don't be too worried about it. It's very, very easy. Just up and down with your left foot. It's nothing like you've no clutch to deal with or anything like that. But that's kind of it with this now. We're just going to try get through this, filter through this traffic here. She's running very, very nicely. I am turning right here, so I better cut in at some stage. Better cut in here. Here we go. Damn, I missed it. But anyway, we'll skip through these lights now. Alright, we're away from those lights, thank God. And we'll see what kind of speeds we can get up to here now on her. On this little 50cc Little Cub. I'll be expecting around 50, 55. We have got 70 out of them. Oh, I'm already up to 50. Okay. Don't pull out in front of me. Really? Anyway, we can't get the top speed. We were doing 55. It was actually on its way to 60 kilometers an hour there. So you probably could do 60 kilometers an hour on her. On a flat, you'll probably do 50 uphill. And then you probably do near 70 going downhill. So that's the kind of speed you can expect from this kind of bike. As long as people like this golf driver in front of you don't pull out in front of you as you're trying to drive. Come on, man. Anyway. Now, set off again. She handles quite well, and also if you're worried about kind of size wise because of 14-inch wheels, I'm 6'2" and I'm on this bike and I'm fitting on it. So Jesus, woman, like honestly, you get in front of me and then you start doing 20 kilometers an hour and then you don't indicate to go off. Jesus Christ. Alright, we're away from that toss head. But yeah, now moving on to the bike. Again, lovely little commuter bike, that bright red Little Cub. These bikes keep their value extremely well. These things are only really going to go up in value in the next 5 to 10 years they're going to go up in value again. So if you're worried about kind of resaleability and so on, I wouldn't be worried about it at all. They're very rare. The only ones that are in the country of the Little Cubs are kind of from us, Retro Bikes Dublin, directly. Other than that, I don't know, maybe a few private imports that people have imported them themselves from Japan, but I don't think there was any retailers doing them when they started coming out. But anyway, we'll move past these lights now onto the stretch before Retro Bikes Dublin. Alright, we're away from the lights now, we're on the stretch before Retro Bikes Dublin. Yeah, anything else to finalise on this bike? I'm very happy with it. You know, you can do 60 kilometers an hour. It's going to hold its value. It's only €49 a year to tax. Insurance will be very, very cheap on her. I'm in neutral now. Probably shouldn't be doing this actually. Come on. I don't know, I'd say I've 5 other bikes to do after this bike. I think I'll be doing a slightly different route. The traffic around here is just bedlam to go. We're up and down it 6 times, you know, you're nearly 25 minutes each time just going like half a kilometre, or probably 2 kilometres there and back, you know. It takes so long, but I'll do a little slightly different route and cut out most of the traffic hopefully. But yeah, that's kind of been it for this Little Cub 50 in red. Nice little bike, 60 km an hour, everything working. If this video has helped you, in your purchase, in your search to purchase a bike, please do leave it a like. As well as that, if you could comment down below on anything I didn't cover, any questions you have, I will try and get back to you as fast as possible. And finally, if you haven't already, subscribe.